What is this, babe? Y'all, here we go again. Now, this is this is Sunday's dinner, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know what it is. What is this, baby, again? You say it's what?
It's like a beef casserole.
A beef casserole.
Mm-hmm.
Now, guys, I have never had her beef casserole. Now, so this is brand new, and we are gonna try it out. Look how hearty it look, y'all. Look at that. She got my potatoes in here. Oh my god. Whew. All right, here we go, y'all. Mm, mm, mm. Lord Jesus. One day y'all go see my wife to be, and y'all go wish she can come over y'all house and cook for you. I'm telling you. But see y'all guys, now y'all ladies, we gonna have this in the cookbook. Whatever she made here, I don't know what all the ingredients is, but it's so good. Say something to the audience, baby.
Good night.
All right.